Hello everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video, we are going to make a carrot cake. However, we will be using this boxed carrot cake. Carrots not included. Also not sponsored. So yeah, let's go and bake. Okay, first step, dump the powder mix into the bowl, obviously. Next, we're gonna add some water, flavorless oil. I use canola on this. Then we add 1 egg. And then 2 eggs. Then we mix them. Just keep mixing until you don't see dry stuffs. I did get a carrot because you can't call it a carrot cake without the carrots, duh. So let's just dump it there and then mix it until the carrots are evenly combined in the mixture. Now I have 2 6-inch pans here. So we're gonna pour this mixture evenly on both of them. And now we bake. It's that easy. The bake time is around 30 minutes. Check it around minute 25. Use a toothpick and if it comes out clean when you poke the center, it's ready. In the meantime, let's do the frosting. I don't really have some cream cheese and I'm too lazy to make some from the milk, so we're just gonna do Ermine Frosting. In a saucepan, we're gonna heat up some flour and sugar. Let's toast it up a bit. Keep stirring because we don't want the sugar to melt or burn. I just stir them in the heat for like a minute or 2, and after that, we're going to add milk. I used evaporated milk, but you're free to use regular milk. I'm replacing my spatula with the whisk and stir it continuously until we have a thick paste. Also, I'm just making sure that there are no lumps. Keep it in the heat for an extra minute or 2 just to get rid of the starchy taste of the flour. After that, let's transfer it in a heat-proof bowl and cover it with a plastic wrap. Making sure that we press the wrap onto the mixture. We don't want air in there because the mixture will form a skin. I recommend that you do this the day before because this takes a while to cool. We need this cold. Alright, it's been a while now and we're gonna finish the icing. So here's our room temperature butter into the bowl and we're gonna beat this up until it's pale. Then we are going to add our cold flour milk mixture 1 tablespoon at a time. Once you put the entire flour stuffs there, you should have a nice stiff frosting and that's how you make Ermine Frosting. This is one of my favorite frosting. It's not super sweet like buttercream and honestly, the ingredients are more accessible in our area. And it's really easy, you just need some time. Anyway, we got the frosting, we got the cake, and now we frost this. I'm actually just gonna go for a rustic look, so I'm not covering everything with frosting. Alright, that should be good. I actually added some jam in between the cake layers. Just some extra nice flavor for the cake. So for the design, I split a small portion of icing and colored it orange. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add some carrot patterns on the cake. It's really just a zigzag lines, nothing fancy. I also dyed some of the frosting green for the leaves. And here we go. That looks like a carrot, yeah? You know what? It's a bit barren. Let's add some design onto the sides. I just added some green blobs and more carrot patterns. I was thinking that the carrots is half buried into the grass. Here we go. That's what we got. I think that's pretty good. I mean, I could have done better, but I am pretty satisfied with this. The cake tastes good as well. My mom likes it too. It's not super sweet like the other cake box mix, and the Ermine Frosting just adds a nice balance to it. We'll definitely make this again. That's it for this video. I like DIY and baking stuffs, and if you're interested to see more, be sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell as well. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!